Hello, David here, and the project for today is recreation for Mother's Day. We're at Ivar's getting some fast food fish. Remember, guys, you have to save some French fries for the seagulls. Damn, these seagulls are as big as turkeys.
Oh no, sorry.
Just hold it up over your head. Hold it high. Yeah, hold it high like that. Now walk to the gate. Walk to the fence. Hold it high. Hold it up. Hold it up. I guess you just don't have that magnetism. Hold it high. High over your head. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Yeah, we just fell into the water. Oh, I got it. So what? Guys, here, want this? Here!
Oh, do you see that one where they're putting the air together? Hurry up and just throw it and they catch it. They come up and catch it in the air.
La cumbia de mi pueblo currambero, amigos y cariños del ayer.
Mi amigo.
La dulce casa que me ven hacer, recuerdos son del tiempo.
You know there never was a Sasquatch, right? It was all made up. Okay, we're gonna walk these steps up University Street all the way to the new light rail. I know it's anticlimactic, but I gotta show you the light rail. It's brand new. Come to Seattle and get hammered by the Hammer Man.
One line to Linwood City Center Station at the northbound platform in 2 minutes.
So the reason why nobody pays fares here is because there's no turnstiles to get in. And they have little yellow pay things, but you can't find them. They kind of hide them out of the way. I don't know what the reasoning is for that, but Seattle knows better than anybody else, and that's what they do here.
One line to Linwood City Center Station is now light. Please stand by the yellow line and allow other passengers to exit on board.
So we were riding the blue line. We picked it up in Seattle, and we're headed to the east side. So this part of the blue line goes over Lake Washington to the east side, Bellevue, Redman, all those places. And you see the green line that just runs north of Seattle to south of Seattle in a straight line.